Hello everyone, welcome to Study at One Stop. In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a free N8N account to build robust automation workflows and AI agents. First, type N8N in the search tab of your preferred browser. I am choosing Google Chrome. Make sure to select n8n.io. On clicking this link, browser will redirect us to the home page of N8N. Now, in the top right section, we have Get Started button. Click on this. Now we are redirected to a sign up page of N8N. Feel free to fill all the details like full name. In company email section, you can enter your personal email also. There is no necessity that you should be entering only company email here. I am adding my personal Gmail account here. In confirm email section, just retype the above entered email. Give some good password. Give your account a good name. Make sure to select this checkbox and click on Start Free Trial. After clicking on Start Free 14 days trial, I got this account name is already in use. So make sure to enter some unique values here. Now click on Start Free Trial. The process of creating N8N account has been started. You can start answering these questions. What team are you on? This helps us to customize your experience in N8N. I'm in IT and support team. What is the size of your company? I'll select option B. Which of these do you feel comfortable doing? I'll choose option A. How did you hear about us? I'll choose option A. Do you work for an agency? I'll click option B. Are you using an external agency to help build your workflows? I'll select option C and I'll click on submit. For now, we can skip this step. Your workspace is ready. Now we can simply click on start automating. And this is the main dashboard of N8N. We can see here we have 14 days left in your N8N free trial, and we will be given 1000 executions in this free trial. That's it for today. We can start building automation workflows and AI agents from the next video. Follow for more.